Tonight's supper is slow cooker pineapple barbecue chicken. What all goes into slow cooker pineapple barbecue chicken? 2.5 pounds of chicken drumsticks, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 cup barbecue sauce of any kind. I'm using the Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. I thought that would go good with the pineapple. 20-ounce can of pineapple slices, and reserve 1/2 cup of the juice. So let's begin. So I have my chicken legs here. You want to sprinkle them with salt and pepper. And turn them over and sprinkle the other side. Set your skillet to medium-high heat and add your 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the pan is hot, add your chicken. You want to brown these on all sides. They don't have to be really dark brown, just lightly brown, since they will be cooking in the crock pot. All right, so take your slow cooker, and as always, I have a slow cooker liner. Take your chicken that you browned and place it in the slow cooker. And I did add 2 other chicken legs from another package, and hopefully that'll make the 2.5 pounds. Then take the barbecue sauce and evenly pour over the chicken. Then pour your reserved pineapple juice over the chicken. Then take your pineapple slices and place it all over. Then put your lid on. Then you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours, or low, which is what I'm doing, for 5 to 6. Do not open the lid during the cooking time. So we'll see in 6 hours. So here is the slow cooker pineapple barbecue chicken. And rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes. And we put some of that pineapple barbecue sauce over the mashed potatoes. I'll get Dave to do a taste test.
This looks good. That's good. Is that the juice off of the chicken?
It is.
That's good too. Is that the chicken off the chicken?
It is.
I think that helps. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.